Beautiful day here in Sword Sailing Club. Yes, it is indeed a beautiful day, and this is club racing on the 21st of June 2026 at Sword Sailing Club, and there's two races scheduled for the day. Now, the first race will be starting at 2 o'clock, and the second race about an hour later. There's two starts. There's starts with the monofleet. The monofleet includes topazes, lasers, and GP14s. And I think there's a couple of other spurious classes in there as well. And the second start will be the multihulls. So here we go. This is the first start for the monos at Sword Sailing Club.
All clear, all clear.
So a GP14 has decided to go in a port flyer. Here it is coming in. Tight tack around the mark. Just about gets in there. Nicely done. That's Declan O'Brien. And gets away cleanly. Nice start. The conditions today are absolutely glorious. There's temperatures on the water of 17 degrees. Although it feels a lot higher. It feels like mid-20s in spells. The wind direction is roughly northeasterly, and the wind is blowing from about 5 knots, gusting to about 13, so kind of light, touching on the low end of medium. We're now into the catamaran starts. So there's 3 different classes of cat here. There's the F18, that's the sailboat with its black sails crossing just now, and in the foreground we can see a top cat, a nice single-handed boat sailed by Robert McKay, crossing nicely there.
Well done,
with
Robert.
Good speed. Well done, Robert, the man said. And coming up in the rear then is a Dart 18, sailed by Donal Cullen. A really nice example of a Dart 18. Actually, it's in excellent condition. Meanwhile, the mono fleet has been racing. They've just come around what's called the jibe mark, the triangle mark, and they're heading now towards the leeward mark, back behind the start line, and then they'll go on and do another lap. There's about 3 or 4 laps scheduled, but it'll all depend on whether it fits into the time. The time of these races is usually around 40 minutes or so. Yes, all very nice and relaxed. Really enjoyable day, I have to say.
Hi.
Hello, Dara. How are you today? Dara told me later on that he had a few breakages, that he's not to ever come to the club again until he's fixed everything on his boat. Well, Dara, you want to get your act together and get all those bits and pieces fixed. Come on now. Here's a nice example of getting leeward and getting the sail in the sky in light airs.
If you're wondering where Sword Sailing Club is, it's on the what's commonly known as the Malahide Estuary. Proper name for it is the Broadmeadows Estuary, and there's two dinghy clubs on the estuary. One is the Malahide Sailing Dinghy Club, which is part of the yacht club in Malahide, and the other is, of course, this club, the Sword Sailing Club, which is on the upper side of the estuary, and we're on the south bank. Both of these clubs are on the south bank.
And here is the F18 putting its kite up with Pavel Trojanowski at the helm. Actually, Pavel's on his way to the European Championships in Lake Como in Italy, with Sean Durenbush crewing for him. Best of luck from Sword Sailing Club. Do us proud. And here's Donal moving nicely around the course on his Dart 18. He decided not to put a jib on today, and he's just honking. Whoop whoop, there's the F-18 flying along now. Nice speed. Now, this is Katrina, and she's just acquired this laser, and this is her first time out, and she's doing really well. Oh, Robert, you're always fiddling about. What are you up to now? Just get on with it and sail the boat, will you? Donal, you're so cool. You're just so relaxed. Look at that. Leisurely. So Pavel has decided to step out on the wire, but he's not helming the boat anymore. He's crewing. He's let his stand-in crew helm, and he's doing very well, it's got to be said. You want to watch out, Pavel. You'd be looking to take your boat over. Oh, there's the race officer. I wonder does she approve? I'm not sure either.
Are you filming or
I'm filming.
This is Carlos. Carlos has helped me on the rib today. Carlos originally comes from Cadiz in Spain, and he's living in Ireland now, and he's enjoying the cooler summers because he says it gets very, very hot in the south of Spain this time
Doing well,
of year.
Robert.
Here's Robert again, sailing nice and close to me. And here's an Aero with Nigel on board, doing very well. Winning the race, in fact. And finishing in second place is Nicholas Merziger. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Nicholas joined the club a couple of years ago, and he's fitted straight in. He's from Strasbourg in France originally, and he absolutely loves it. There's Robert again. You keep getting my way, Robert. Okay, here's race number 2. Here's the mono start. Very quick clip of that. And we're straight into the cats now.
This is race 2 for the Catamarans. Big start at just 3 today. Club racing at Sword Sailing Club. Late to the line. Top cat with Robert McKay on board wins the line. Followed by the F-18, Pavel. And crew. The Scorpion, beautiful looking boat. Fast boat too. I was off to the Europeans next month in Lake Como. And best of luck to him and Sean. Still on his Dart 18. I was struggling a little bit to get across the line.
Get the tack, lads. Get the tack in. Lovely. These two are having a ball. They're just shooting the breeze, literally. Nice and relaxed. If you're watching this video and you've never tried sailing, why not drop down to Sword Sailing Club during one of the sailing days, either Wednesday evening during the summertime, or on Sunday around 12 before we go out, or afterwards around 4, half 5, half 4 or so, and talk to one of us, talk to one of the committee members or a member, and see about getting involved. We're always welcoming new members. We're very keen to get new people involved. You can also visit our website, swordsailing.ie. You can get all the information there on how to join the club or how to visit and so on. Please do check it out. Do you know what? I feel like chasing an F-18. Let's do it, shall we? That's a lovely looking boat. Metropics is the sponsor for the boat, Pavel's company, Pavel's painting company. So you can see a slight pickup in the breeze, and Pavel just bears off to take that little push downwind deeper, and off he goes. He's accelerating that. Oh, looks like it's dropped off again. He's slowing up again. Yeah, throw the jibe in. Go out over to the right hand side. I should drop the kite now while jibing at the same time. Watch out for the mono, watch out for the laser. There you go. Nicely done. Okay, that's just about it for this video. Thanks for watching this Steel-Eye Guy. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, please. Like, share, and do comment. Tell me what you think of the video on the sailing in it. Love to hear from you. I gotta go lift the windward mark. Till next time, goodbye for now.